Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to send anonymous message in Facebook Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you open your Messenger app, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can see that there are different kind of conversations happening. So if you're going to go in the menu, you cannot find a particular message or like an option to send anonymous messages. If you are in the settings, you cannot find any of the options as well. So the basic answer is you cannot send an anonymous message on Facebook Messenger as it does not have the app now. It might have this a feature like in later upcoming days. However, currently speaking, there is no such features. So while you can send messages to people who are not your friends, those messages will go in your message request. So you can just leave it as it is, or you can just accept it and talk with that particular person, but it will show that the person who has sent you a message or like your profile name will still be visible. So you cannot even hide your profile name or picture when you are sending a message on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.